Welcome to the dinosaur world! Look at the giant long-necked dinosaur. Oh no! The earthquake is shaking the nest! Please help! First egg, second egg, third egg, fourth egg, and fifth egg are rolling to the lava river!
Hero Rescue Team. Dinosaur Rescue.
Today is time to learn the number 5.
Dino alert. Prehistoric emergency.
Dinosaur eggs are rolling towards the lava river. The lava river is too hot.
Blaze Red will bring the rescue net white. Blaze Red will catch the dinosaur eggs. Ranger Blue will use Cruiser Blue to block the path. Ranger Blue and Blaze Red, move out.
Entering the time portal to the volcano slope. The rescue vehicles have arrived near the lava river.
Catch the rolling eggs! The eggs are falling fast!
Scanning the volcano slope to find the targets. Targets locked. The dinosaur eggs are rolling towards the lava river. Time to count. 1, first egg. 2, second egg. 3, third egg. 4, fourth egg. 5, fifth egg. F5 dinosaur eggs. Cruiser Blue is blocking the lava river. Blaze Red is ready with the rescue net white. 1 egg is safe.
Two eggs are safe.
Three eggs are safe. 4 eggs are safe. 5 eggs are safe.
Thank you, Hero Rescue Team. First egg, second egg, third egg, fourth egg, and fifth egg are safe from the lava river.
Cruiser Blue will drive the eggs back to the nest. Mission complete! Hero Rescue Team counted 5 dinosaur eggs. Great job! That is the number 5.
Hero Rescue Team. Dinosaur Rescue.
Oh no! SIX baby dinosaurs are lost in the dark cave! Join Hero Rescue Team next time.